Hello my dear friends, in this video I am going to take you for a tour of Hotel Avenue Regent in Kochi, which is in Kerala. So I got room number 6062, which is a suite room. Let's have a look. Wow, this is a really large room. Dining table, sofa, TV, wooden flooring. And then there is a bedroom inside. Here's some wall painting. Yeah, this to keep the shoes and the tea maker and a mini refrigerator. There's nothing in it now. This hotel is located at the most centralized place in Kochi, that is at MG Road near Jost Junction. Right now it's 10 p.m. so very few vehicles through the MG Road. Well, let's have a closer look at the room. It's a centralized AC room, and then there's a mirror this side and a guest toilet. A relatively smaller toilet, but this for the guests. Now let's go to the bedroom and see. Wow, this is a really huge bedroom. This is nothing short of a royal living. A large master bed, a couple of good chairs, again a window here. In fact, there are two windows, one in this side and one in the other side, and there's also a large TV here. A dressing table, a cupboard with all the essentials, and then there's this large toilet. There's a separate shower room. This is sheer luxury, and at the place where we are, this is probably the costliest real estate area in the entire state of Kerala. Well, now it's late into the night, about 10:40 p.m. so it's a frugal dinner for me. Just some dal khichdi, achar and papad. Good morning, friends. This is about 7 a.m. now, and this is the MG Road, which I told you earlier. Very few vehicles as of now. This is a view from another window of my room, and then again the third window. Back to the MG Road view. Well, breakfast time now. The restaurant is in the first floor and I am at the 6th floor, so I'll have to take the elevator to the first floor. I'm at the first floor now. I like this painting, so stop by to enjoy the beauty of the painting for a minute. The name of the restaurant is Springs. Nice name. Come, let's get in and see. It's a very spacious restaurant, and let's have a quick look at the spread. All kind of Kerala delicacies are there. Appam, stew, idli, vada, even a good spread of non-vegetarian delicacies. And I settled down with some cut fruits, juice, as well as appam and stew, which I love a lot. Well, the gym is really small. I didn't like it. Let me also quickly show you the coffee shop here on the ground floor next to the reception area. This is a very good place. So with that, thank you very much for watching, my dear friends. Bye for now.